Hello, I'm Vizadat with G1G, and today we're going to talk about World Trips Atlas Journey Premier. This plan offers extensive comprehensive travel protection, and it's great for families, leisure travelers, luxury travelers, cruisers. Now that means that there is coverage for you, the traveler, against medical emergencies, evacuations, and repatriations. It also means that you have coverage for your travel investment against cancellations, interruptions, delays, misconnections, and much more. And finally, it protects your things that are going along for the adventure, which means you can be reimbursed for baggage delays or if your things are lost, stolen, or damaged while in the care of an airline, hotel, or other tour operator. If you're in the market for a travel protection plan, you're probably wondering what the Atlas Journey Premier costs. And when we did an assessment, the cost came in slightly above the average for some of the competing plans. However, that's because a lot of the benefits in this plan are very robust. There are a lot of coverage areas available in this plan that may not be available with some of its alternatives. Let's talk about eligibility. This plan is for U.S. residents between the ages of 1 and 99, traveling within the U.S. and internationally. And your coverage can be purchased for up to 180 days. If you're planning on buying Atlas Journey Premier, we recommend that you buy it within 21 days of your first trip payment so that you can secure the cancel for any reason benefit. Let's talk about what it covers. The Atlas Journey Premier plan has pre- and post-departure benefits, and they work just like many of the other travel protection plans on the market. If you experienced an emergency while traveling, or are injured, become ill, or need to see a doctor, then the medical expense benefit can cover you up to $150,000 in medical expenses. If you need to be repatriated back to the United States, the benefit limit there is up to $1 million. If you have to interrupt your trip for a reason covered by your plan, either by ending it early or extending it due to something like COVID-19 quarantine, then the trip interruption benefits can reimburse you for additional flights and any cancellations that happen during your trip that were prepaid and non-refundable. Of course, all benefits are payable only if you cancel or interrupt your trip for a reason that's covered in the plan. Purchasing the plan within 21 days of your initial trip deposit opens you up for adding the cancel or interruption for any reason benefit, which can make your policy and your trip the most flexible that it can be. This plan has several post-departure benefits available, such as trip interruption, travel delays, and misconnection benefits. If you're experiencing interruptions, delays, or if you miss a connection for a reason covered in the plan, these benefits would reimburse you for the cost associated with those trip mishaps. Additionally, you can purchase a pet bundle if you're traveling with the pet and want to make sure that they are covered against accidental injuries or illnesses. Furthermore, if you are an adventure sports traveler, you can add that bundle onto this plan to make sure that your adventure sports are covered. We like the Atlas Journey Premier plan for a lot of reasons, and many of those we've already covered. The high medical limit of $150,000 is higher than most competitive plans. The pre-existing conditions exclusion waiver can be included in your plan so long as you purchase within 21 days of your first trip payment and are medically able to travel at the time you buy the plan. So put simply, the pre-existing conditions exclusion waiver covers or waives the insurance company's right to exclude pre-existing medical conditions from their policy. While there isn't much we don't love about this plan, there is one area that we do see room for improvement. And it is that there's no additional benefit that can be added on to supplement for any hotel quarantines. So that means if you contract COVID-19 while traveling, you have the trip delay benefit for up to $200 per day or $2,000 total to help cover the cost of any hotel quarantines that need to be completed. So how to use this plan? You can visit any licensed doctor or hospital with this plan. For Atlas Journey Premier and other trip insurance plans, direct billing is not guaranteed. And direct billing is when the hospital or treatment provider bills the insurance company directly. So depending on the provider that you seek treatment for, you might receive a bill and you'll have to go and get reimbursed from the insurance company through the claims process. Now, all claims should be submitted in writing with all supporting documents and receipts attached. The G1G offers free claims advocacy with every plan sold. So we'll help you get your claim filed correctly. If your plan does have the cancel for any reason benefit, you'll need to meet the following conditions to use that benefit. You must have purchased that benefit within the time-sensitive period. The full cost of your non-refundable trip cost must be insured. Your trip must be canceled no later than 2 days prior to the scheduled departure date of your trip. And the outro, this video is meant to serve as general educational information. Nothing here is medical advice. Always check the plan documentations for specific definitions, coverage amounts, exclusions, and limitations. And always enjoy the journey.